Put it. I was recording on my computer, that will be a problem. Okay. So now, new students. So let's see. Let's see. I have the Ritu. Okay, so I want to log in with her. That's my email. So I want to do with this email. So let's do sign up. So you need a Jannatul Ritu 586-276-7347. Password T. Yes, for you, admin. T. S. For you, admin. Okay. Make sure they copy this. Registration is done. Let's go to our email. Check the email because we already know the registration process. Let's see. No, sorry. Okay, email service is here. 872-765. 872-765. 872-765. 872-765. Submit. We're good. Look at this. That's the one. Screenshot. That's the one. Okay, now I will just click it here and do the same thing. Okay, so the new person, and then I will start drawing the same thing again. And I change the color to details. I want to change the color to something different. Okay, my referral. One, two, three. And I should be all good to go. Now let's go here. Now I am going to and to make it nicer, I actually took it to the, just control enter. Then you go to the next page, you are good. And then, okay. And you go here, and you make it to the middle, then you should be good to go. And there is multiple things you can do. You can want to crop the image like this. You're good. You can crop the image like this because you need to make things nice so other people can like it. Good. So now again, then you do the same thing. You will do the same thing because this person follow the required steps to start referring your friends and family. Steps to complete the registration, okay? So click the referral button. Now you will explaining the same thing here again. And this is the three things you did not refer anyone else. Find out my referral details. I'm just copying all of this. I'm just going to put it here. Okay. And find out details, referral button, total referrals, total enrolled, total this, and the find out details about my referral history. There is no history because referral history, name of the student, So you will actually, if you have referred someone. Am I right? Because we did not refer someone yet. Good. So that's pretty much is done. And we can actually remove it. Remove it. So this is actually the documentation is done for this. Any question? It's working. Everything is working just fine. And now you can do a little bit more nicer. The pay, sorry. You can do the, okay, page number, start, and then you can put in the middle. In the meantime, platform name, feature name, and the version number, business side, business side, point of contract. Analyst. Okay. And then, okay, so platform name is for the class name. Option 1, stage 11, 5, 2. Good. So now you are getting the more details. I mean, some company just very nicely make a nice like a table and put all of this nicely so that it is good and presentable. But the end goal is so you can know which department, right? So now IT. Okay.
Yes.
So any question now?
No.
Any question from anyone?
No, I'm good. I don't know about others. I'm sorry.
Farhana?
It looks good. I'm watching.
What about Fahmida? Fahmid, any question? Ozia, Fahmid, any question?
No.
Maria, any question? Maria, are you there? She's here. She's not talking. Okay. So that's actually the supposed to make things like this. Fahmid, okay. So now let's talk about the how the review happened. Okay. So you're good. If you push on the blog, that's fine. We are actually making the comments back and forth. Or if you have specific, if someone if you are going to review with somebody a document, you can select specific items if you do not understand something or if you want to ask a question. So mentioning something, Fahmid, right? But you're part of the team. Anybody is part of your team, right? It's an example. Something. So you're actually mentioning them, you're assigned to them. They will be reading and they'll be actually clarifying and they will actually closing your what? Request. That's actually the review process work. So that it will be actually tracked throughout the process. Once the development complete, if someone asks, why did you do that? How did it happen? Who make this decision? How come we could not understand this? How come nobody was able to clarify it? How come nobody was able to catch it up? There is no will be why, how, because all the communication will go here like this, step by step. And then people have a chance, people means developer, the QA, everybody will have a chance. It's like a user story, but it's a feature level review process. It's a whole feature. Or the technical documentation, the user guide. This is the user guide you wrote. This documentation type is user guide. Okay. So once everything is done, then actually you can say this documentation has been done properly. Good.
Yes.
All right. Thanks about the perfect.